nothing special. Yeah, it's what's happened with my voice. Oh, but in wait a second. It's a bag. It's a paper bag, right? And she put it on the fire. And it worked for some reason. How it didn't burn at all. There is a magic. Yeah, definitely. So, some cooking again. So, what is this dough for? And what is it? The jam? Some okay. What are you doing with me? I really want to eat. I really. And now you cooked it, and it radically, yes, it's a pie. Yeah, nice. That's a nice pie, I guess. No, it looks tasty. I can't believe it. Quickly, yeah. Wow. Okay, so how to make your popcorn? Nice. Now I'm hungry. I wanna eat. So, okay, charcoals in a watermelon. For what? To make it as a grill? What are you gonna say, sir?
Bike.
Why not? That was Mike. Okay. So, cactus. They caught the cactus. For what? So they wanna remove all these spikes around, cut off the I'm confused. And she gonna eat it, of course, because it's eatable. What if there is a water? It's a cactus, right? They collect the water. I think the water is not problem for them since they. Wow. How confident she works with the cactus. I understand that she get rid of all these spikes around, but it still could be left some piece of them, and you can easily, get some. This is a stick. Okay. Oh, this is a wheel. She can use this as a wheel. It means theory. Okay. So, fire. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Of course, she doesn't have the fire, but she has tools, as a hammer, 2 chairs for some reason, and she cooking cactus. Yeah, of course. Yeah, nothing special, right? Oh boy. Yeah. So she made a hole in this pot, but for what? She make this hole in the pot, but for what? Wrap. To put some oil in it. There is way easy way how you can put oil on your cactus. I mean, what's she gonna eat? It looks ugly as hell. No way she gonna eat it. But she cooked it. So she gonna eat it, right? Yeah. Okay, for some reason it looks tasty. Would I try it? I have doubts about it. She's fine. Wow, it looks more like a scallops. It doesn't look like a cactus piece. But avocado, where this food was from? I mean, yeah, Archie. Yeah, here. What? They just destroyed? Why they wash this? Okay, no. So, any guesses? What is gonna be, Butch? It's an aquarium, maybe? No, it's a car. I mean, they will put wheels there. Or this is, okay, the cement, the bike. This is a bike. So Bush, this is no way it's gonna be bike. This is, I don't know, the cement, this one bike. Okay. So Butch know a little bit more than me. Maybe he saw this video. You saw it? No? Okay. I mean, still, what is the bricks for? What is this? That hack was smart. This how you can put your cement on your bricks. What? So more cement. There is no way it's gonna be bike. It's gonna be. So this is looks like a grill, or this looks like a. I don't know. No way. Okay, I got you. Make fun of me, right? Yeah. This is gonna be bike. Yeah, this is gonna be bike. Let him chance. But how can they flip it over and make it as a bike? I'll see. Yeah, right. So what I'm talking about. Bow. No. Okay, this confused me more. What is this hole for? I mean, they're gonna remove the steering wheel after, right? No? Are they gonna use it as a wheel because it's gonna be bike? Yeah. Okay, this for this is
Steam.
Interesting. I guess it's for your I don't know something. It's your exhaust pipe, I guess. Yeah. The door, of course, the whole bikes have the doors. Okay, stop it. I think this service, this is oven. Yeah, this is oven. This is oven. A Butch. Am I stupid or what? Yeah, Yeah, let us know. Am I stupid? I guess so. Okay, fire. But there is a plastic thing around, right? She survived, but at the same time, she has a lot of things around to make it. Okay, some candy with your sugar, and now you have a candy. Easy peasy. Yeah, of course, it works like so. Yeah, no doubts. So, okay. Meat. Dang, I feel hungry. Okay. So, Not bad. This actually looks tasty, and I would try it. Yeah. Dang, I'm hungry. Yeah. So smashed potato out of chips. It's gonna work. Yeah. So water, lemon, some paper, some vegetables. What is this liquid I missed? Water. Mix, and it's a cocktail. Or what is gonna be? It's gonna soup. Cocktail, of course. There was vegetables. Wow. Would you try this? Honestly, yeah. Why you have a weird taste? I would never. Dang, I want to test it. I think it's awesome. It's gonna be awesome, right? Chips, they are smashed, and it's a smashed potato.
Okay.
Chips out of potato, right? So everything legit. Yes. So aloe vera. So I don't know. Okay, that's could be tasty. And now they're gonna grill it, right? Oh, in 4 minutes. Oh. Yes, that's tasty. That's dang tasty. Wow, I wanna eat it. I'm hungry. I'm always telling myself like eat before shooting, eat before we start reacting some videos. But no, I'm again hungry and I wanna eat it. Shall we stop? And okay, after this video, we'll go to eat something. Oh, nice.